The next book I want to highlight is Design Basics Index by Jim Krause. This is one of my favorite books from my student days that followed me even as a teacher. And this is a really old copy. I've had this since I was in undergrad, so this is a pretty old book. Design Basics is a fantastic resource that offers an abundance of color stories and an overview of color in design throughout the book. It also has some really helpful information and guides on things like composition and developing creative concepts, and it has guidance for those working in the graphic design industry or who are looking to pivot their career into it. There's more than just informational outlines though. It also has exercises that are meant to push your creativity and get you to apply the information that you learn throughout the book into an actual project. And best of all, the section on color highlights the importance of color throughout design. It offers references in terms of color combinations and resources overall that I think can be really helpful as you are working through creating projects.